Hello, beautiful club members. Nellie here. I'm just popping in before this recipe starts. So this recipe was not intended for the club. It was actually intended, from time to time I post new recipes on the blog and in our newsletter, and hopefully those beautiful people will also be inspired to come and join our club. This one was such a good fit that I've included it and done a video especially for our club members. It's the Harissa baked chicken, so the one tray bake. So it's not an exclusive club member recipe, but I just really felt that it belonged in this month. So you're not getting it a month after, you're getting it in this package, and try it. It's a beautiful one for midweek. And the fennel and harissa sauce that we make in this month exclusive to the club is the perfect ingredient to add for your one baked chicken. So you're going to have amazing homemade fennel and harissa sauce, unlike other people that just might be spooning it out of a jar. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a bit of background on that so you're not thinking that exclusive member recipes are going willy-nilly. I don't think any of you do think that, but it's, you know, a beautiful way for me to share with our broader community and for you guys to get access to this one a bit earlier. Thanks so much. How would you like to make a really fabulous dinner in one tray, very minimal dishes, and it is so flavour packed? Let's go. Okay, so first off, we need some chicken thighs. You could absolutely use chicken breast if you prefer, but chicken thighs will give you a far better bake and result. It'll be far more tender. Got some harissa yogurt here, which is just a matter of combining about a cup of good quality Greek yogurt, full fat, with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of harissa, depending on how hot or less, less so that you would like your harissa to be, the juice of a lemon and salt and pepper. We're only going to use half of this to marinate our chicken, and it's important that you know that this can be done up to 24 hours in advance and just kept in the fridge. The rest of this yogurt cover and pop in the fridge because we will use that to serve our tray bake. Alright, so get a spoon, combine that really well and add a teaspoon of cinnamon. And just make sure the chicken's well coated. I have scored each of these chickens 1 or 2 times just to make sure that the yogurt really penetrates the flesh and does what it is supposed to do. So the yogurt's going to help tenderize our chicken. I'm using free-range chicken thighs, as well as add really beautiful flavour. Alright, so that is going to not be used for about 20 minutes or so. So pop it in the fridge if it's hot at your place, otherwise leave it at room temperature just for 20 minutes. So we'll set that aside. Okay, vegetables. You can mix this up however you like. I'm using a couple of onions that I've sliced up. I've got some potatoes that I've cubed into the same size pizzas, and I've got some beautiful pitted green Sicilian olives also. So they're ready to go. 1 tablespoon of harissa paste in my bowl here, and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of really good quality extra virgin olive oil. I'm using Cobram Estate. Okay, so this is making a beautiful paste. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of toasted ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and I want the juice of a lemon to go in also. All right, give that a good stir. It's so simple. It's such a beautiful dinner. Mix it all together. Pour that over your vegetables. And give that a stir to combine really well. You'll see that I have reserved the zest of my lemon, and I'm going to use that when I serve my dish. Now we want to season with salt and pepper. And make sure you use good quality salt. So salt's going to bring out the flavour, so make sure you use it well. Give another toss to combine. My oven is on 200 degrees, already preheating. Going to spoon my lovely vegetables into my tray, and these will cook for 20 minutes. So set your timer After the 20-minute mark, we are then going to nestle in our marinated yogurt harissa chicken thighs. And if tomatoes are in season and you've got some beautiful cherry tomatoes on hand, then you can scatter the cherry tomatoes as well, and that will cook for another 20 minutes. Our vegetables smell amazing. They've been in the oven for 25 minutes now. So I've just given them a good stir through with a spoon, and now it's time to nestle in the chicken. And this will cook for 20 to 25 minutes, just depending on the size of your pieces. This is a great one to do in advance if you need to, if you want to marinate your chicken the night before, come home from work and whack this in the oven, and you've got such a lovely, simple dinner to enjoy, quick and easy, full of flavour. If you want to add some cherry tomatoes, you certainly can. And capers are fantastic in this dish too. This is ready to go back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, just depending on the size of your chicken thighs. And to serve, we have our reserved harissa yogurt ready for action. My lemon zest reserve that will just get speckled on top. Some beautiful fresh mint leaves. You could use parsley as well. Some toasted nuts are on the ready. Definitely give it a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil at the time of serving. And if you want accompaniments, you could think of things like, you know, beautiful couscous with some lemon zest in it, some steamed greens. A beautiful, simple green salad is all it needs. Dinner is sorted.